Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making Marry Me Chicken. You will need 2 thin cut chicken breasts, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. In a small bowl, combine your Italian seasoning, paprika, and oregano. Now add the salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. Now using the seasoning mixture, generously season your chicken on both sides. Dredge your seasoned chicken in your flour, then place them on a wire rack. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your olive oil and butter. Now brown your chicken for 5 minutes on each side. Remove your chicken from the pan and set it aside until later. Now add your garlic and tomatoes to the pan and saute for 1 minute. Add the chicken broth, then bring your liquid to a light simmer. Now incorporate your heavy cream. Add the Parmesan cheese, basil, thyme, and red pepper flakes. Now mix until your cheese has melted and your sauce has begun to reduce. Now return your chicken to the pan and spoon over your cream sauce. Now cover and simmer for an additional 5 minutes. This recipe is full of both flavor and love. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello.